Good afternoon, Student Honors Organization. My name is Rina Lara, and I am speaking to you today in hopes of becoming your 2014-2015 Secretary. I am an English and Chemistry double major, and I'm on a pre-health track. Since my fellow candidates are quite qualified individuals, I know it might seem a bit difficult to set us apart, to choose one of us as the ideal candidate. A quite coveted position, the position of Secretary calls for an individual who is approachable, organized, and responsible. We all have that. But what sets me apart from all the hopefuls for office is the fact that I am the only candidate who was not a part of the SHO Executive Board this year. Rejected first round of the application process, I stand before you today with the same desire for involvement. This August, a whole new group of honor students will set foot on campus and be impressed, inspired by SHO's Week of Welcome events. Those students will apply to be on SHO's Executive Board, and only a select few will make it all the way through. Those that don't make it will receive a well-worded email thanking them for applying and reassuring them they are welcome at all SHO events. For the majority, that was the end of their attempt at involvement within SHO. Others kept their heads up and tried to attend a journal body meeting, only to feel slightly awkward. That said, I am by no means discrediting the efforts to get general body members involved. But the truth of the matter is that not being a part of exec kind of feels like being on the outside looking in at a group of fun, motivated individuals and feeling like you can never seamlessly blend in. All honor students are members of SHO. Whether they be no longer freshmen or lateral admits, live off campus, or in a non-honors dorm. It's funny because people ask me, are you a part of SHO? Well, yes, I am a part of the Student Honors Organization. What they really mean, though, is, are you a part of exec? An organization this big has the ability to be more recognized, well-known. By reaching out to general body members, constantly updating them with leadership opportunities, we can achieve this growth. Besides that, I also just suggest that apart from exec, we also have a general body member committee, no matter how large, of those who want to be involved. After all, the honors program is all about having the choice to be as involved as desired. This general body member committee will organize one event every month, apart from those organized by exec, and will attend general body meetings of offering their input. Another improvement I have in mind for SHO is to ameliorate our ties with the Inter-Residence Hall Association, or IRA. In the fall, I was given the opportunity to serve as SHO's homecoming representative. With the help of many wonderful SHO members, we were able to have a Hunger Games themed float in the UF Homecoming Parade. Being under the assumption that honor students always strive to be the best, I was surprised when an IRA officer approached me and thanked me for assuring that SHO had a nice float on the day of the parade. That SHO hadn't contributed anything of note to the parade in a few years. Therefore, I must stress that SHO is a great organization on its own, but it is a part of IRA. It is an area government and holds the same responsibilities, maybe even more, as all the other area governments. As Secretary, I'd assure that everyone is aware of all the opportunities for leadership within IRA, the conferences, the meetings, and director positions, everything that SHO, and I want to ensure that SHO has a presence in IRA as well. Ultimately, I feel hopeful about the potential of this organization. After all, SHO is the reason my freshman year has been so successful, and a source of many of my friends. As Secretary, I'd strive to continue helping students make the most of their college experience with the honors program. Qualifications-wise, I work as a research assistant at Shands Davis Cancer Pavilion, and I work with other students to make sure that we have all the data collected and it's all very organized and ready for publication. So I will be able to present the information from the general body meetings and other publicity to others honor students. I will serve as a link between SHO officers, exec, and general body members. My experiences this year have also prepared me to be a mentor, someone that people can go to, but also a friend. On March 26th and 27th, I hope you will vote for me, granting me the opportunity to be SHO's 2014-2015 Secretary. Good luck to all the candidates, and thank you.